Okay, good morning everyone. Let us study some definitions of based on radiations today. Okay, absorptivity, reflectivity, and transmittivity. Okay, let us consider a substance on which the radiation is incidenting. So it is represented by G. This is incident radiation G, and part of this incident radiation will be absorbed. Okay, this absorbed radiation is Ga, and part of this radiation will be reflected, and that is Gr, and part of this radiation will be transmitted, that is Gt. So that based on conservation of principle, the total energy, that is Ga energy is absorbed, Gr is energy is reflected, and Gt is energy is what transmitted. So Ga plus Gr plus Gt is equal to G. Now we will find the fractions. We will take this G to the left side, also divide this all these terms by G. So Ga by G plus Gr by G plus Gt by G is equal to 1. So Ga by G is energy, part of energy that is absorbed by the energy incident, plus Gr by G is a radiant energy that is reflected back by the radiant energy incident, and radiant energy transmitted by the radiant energy incident. It gives the equated to the 1, or the sum of all these energies equated to the 1. So Ga by G is the fraction of energy that is absorbed, it is alpha, it is denoted by alpha, plus G R by G, it is a fraction of energy that is reflected, rho, and plus tau, it is a fraction of energy that is transmitted, is equal to 1. So alpha plus tau plus rho is equal to 1. So alpha is the fraction of energy incident radiation, that is absorbed radiation. It is denoted by alpha, also we will call it as the absorptivity, and rho we will call it as a reflectivity, the fraction of incident in radiation it is reflected, and transmittivity tau, it is a fraction of radiation transmitted. So for a perfect black body, alpha is equal to 1, because all the radiant energy which is incident on it, it is absorbing, so that alpha is equal to 1. And for the black body, the reflected radiant is 0, so rho is equal to 0, and tau is also 0. There is no transmittivity for black body, so alpha equal to 1. For white body, it is completely, the white body is the one which reflects all the radiation incident on it, so rho equal to 1, alpha equal to 0, tau equal to 0. And for opaque body, tau equal to 0, alpha plus rho equal to 1. Let us study the concept of black body. We will consider an enclosure having a small hole. Whatever the radiation incidenting on passing through this passage, a small hole, it is reflected many times in this enclosure, vacant enclosure, or it's a hollow enclosure. This is whatever the radiation passing through this small hole, it is incidenting inside the surface of this hollow enclosure and reflect many times there, and at last its energy is going to be diminishing inside the container itself, inside the enclosure itself. So we will call this black hole as a black hole through which all the radiations are passing through it, passing into the enclosure. That means this hole is representing as a black body. So because this black hole, we call it as a black hole, or as a hole which is absorbing all the radiations, and which is absorbing all the radiations, we will, okay, so it behaves like a black body. We will call this hole